Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am Paris Desarae, and today I am going to be doing a review on the NUEBOO. This is a sponsorship collaboration with NUEBOO. I was sent some boob tape to review for you guys. This tape I have is in the shade chocolate. So I have this shade right here. It's a very close match to my skin tone already, so that is already a plus. It does come in a nude color, and also it comes in a black as well. And then I also have a chest pad to review for you guys. It is a silicone anti-wrinkle chest pad. So I'm going to show you guys at the end how to apply that. So right now I do not have on a bra. I am a mother of 2 and I breastfed both of my children. So when it comes to needing a lift, yes, I definitely will need that. Also, in my case, I have nipple rings. I do not have my nipple pads, so this is going to be very interesting. Just an FYI, we do not recommend wearing the boob tape if you have nipple rings or without your nipple covers. All right, I have the tape here. This is how the material is looking. This is how thick it is. So as you can see, I don't have any coverage. I do have my waist trainer on. I'm gonna get close, so if my head is kind of chopped off at the top, I'm trying to give you guys the best view of the product as possible. I'm gonna probably put the tape all the way up to here on both sides, and I'm gonna come back and show you guys how it looks. Okay, y'all, I put on one of them. So this right here is with the boob tape, and then this is without the boob tape. So as you can see, nice. And it's very lightweight, not heavier or none of that. It feels really nice on me. I think it's going to fit underneath my clothes really well. Of course, I need to, place it on here much better. But for the sake of the video and all of that, I just wanted to, quickly show you guys. So I will go ahead and do this side. I'll be right back. All right, y'all, I have on the boob tape, which again is NUEBOO tape. You may see that one breast have more cleavage than the other. This side of my breast is smaller than this side. That's how it grew in. That's what Mother Nature gave me. Wow, I am very impressed with this. Wow. If I ever decide to get a breast lift, I don't think I'm gonna need any implants. I don't think I would even want any implants because I think this is enough cleavage. Yeah. I think this is more than enough. I like this. With me, I think once I take off my tape, when it comes to my nipple rings, I don't think it's going to be painful at all. This tape is very lightweight, it's very durable, and it's very strong. When I walked around to go put this on, I didn't feel like it was going to come loose or anything of that nature. I am very confident in this product. I do plan on buying this for myself once this runs out because this is going to be a game changer when it comes to me wearing certain outfits that I think that I cannot wear. I'm definitely going to be able to do it now with this tape. And another thing that I like about this brand is that it has different colors, so it's going to suit any skin complexion. I'm going to try this anti-wrinkle silicone chest pad. So I am going to put it on my chest and I'm going to wear it overnight. I'll show you guys how to actually use this. This is how it comes. You can get 30 uses out of this. So carefully take it off, carefully. Don't rush this. You want it to last the 30 uses that it can live up to. This is supposed to smoothen out your chest. So if you have a problem with your chest being wrinkled, this should help you, girlfriend. I'm going to go to sleep with this on, and I'm going to check back in with you guys in the morning to let you know how I like it. But y'all, look at this. Like, oh my gosh. Ignore the waist trainer. But look at this, y'all. No bra. This is so popping, y'all. This looks, oh my God. Girl, this just changed my life, y'all. This just changed it. Wow. Popping. Oh, and also for you ladies who are interested in glow-in-the-dark nipple rings, I will have that linked in the description box too. I got you covered. Hey y'all, coming back with a voiceover. So when it came taken off the tape, it came off fairly easy. I didn't have any hiccups. I just had to slowly peel it off. And also with the chest pad, I did notice like a slight change in my chest. So I believe over time with using that chest pad that I will see more results. So thank you so much for watching, and I see you guys in my next video. Bye, loves.